Welcome to Rishi Yoga. This is Rasni, yoga teacher. Today's our video about to back fat burning. How to burn upper back, lower back fat. I am going to show now. Before start asanas, do few warm-ups, sitting warm-ups or standing warm-ups. Anything is suggestible. Which is your comfort, you can choose. Our channel we have so many specific warm-ups also. I will drop link in the description box. If you want, you can choose and follow the video also. Here, after warm-ups, sit straight, 10 seconds, take a relaxation. For the back fat, lower back fat burning asana is a Paschimottanasana. Do the number of times. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Do it 5 to 10 times. Next is a leg twist and hold. Bean pose. Same asana, other side. Leg twist and hold. Next is asana is a folding leg pose. Relax. Same asana, other leg. Next, back stretch asana. Do the slow breathe, hand stretch more. Bean pose. Next, leg hold on your hand and feet should be close to the down hand. Relax. Same asana, other side. You have to go other side. Next is a Matsyasana. Lay down straight. Hands under the body. Feet together. Folding. Head back. Upper back rise up. Do the slow breathe here. Relax 10 seconds in Savasana. Lay down straight. Here too. Rise your legs 90 degrees height. Be in pose 10 to 20 seconds. Next, alternate legs. Up and down. Next, leg stretch on your head. Be in pose. This is a Viparita Karani Asana. 10 to 20 seconds. Next, hands rotation. This lay down hands rotation, you will get shoulder relaxation and also shoulder fat, upper back fat can burn. Do 10 rotations clock, 10 anti-clock rotations. Next asana is a knee should be touch on the forehead. Rolling pose. Be in asana 10 to 20 seconds and do the slow breathe here. While coming down, inhale. Next, slowly turn towards left hand side. Vajrasana. While sitting in Vajrasana, also you can burn your buttocks fat. And do the pyramid posture. Slow breathe, deep inhale, exhale. Relax. Next, hands behind interlock, go to the side forward. Yoga Mudrasana. Inhale, come up.
Exhale, other side. Each side be in 20 seconds or 30 seconds.
Inhale, come up. Now, while opening eyes, rub your hands. That heat should be given on your eyes and face. While opening eyes, look on your palm. These are the asanas. If you are daily practicing, you will get back fat burning and also posture correction and slim body. I hope this video will help you to get rid of back fat burning. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe Rushi Yoga channel and also click the bell icon. And I'm requesting you to share my videos and channel to your relatives and friends, colleagues. They will get some benefits to follow these type of asanas videos. Namaste.